Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all is well with you. Welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. We are here to go through some of the things that we discussed in the past, but not quite, we couldn't detail it, then because I was searching for one particular post from Nkiru. Nkiru is the lady, one of these women that is with Nkere. Okay, those of them that jump from all these people that jump from the US that started following Nkere. I've shared a tweet of Nkiru many times here, how he normally tackle PM, what he said about PM in the past, calling PM APC member and all that. If you're following this platform, this what I just said now shouldn't be a surprise or a new thing to you. You're supposed to be conversant with it because I've shared time with that number here on this platform. So before Nkere announced himself as Prime Minister of Fallback Republic of Mozo, there's a video that I made before then where we talked about Nkiru's post. And in that video, I told us that Nkiru seems to be having issue. There's fire that I can see. There's fire on the mountain from the camp of Undi Okozo Mozo Nkere group. Then a few weeks later, we started hearing that Nkere is now Prime Minister of only Fallback Republic of Undi Okozo Mozo. Then when I was talking about it, I tried to narrow it down to that previous post, which I was searching and I couldn't see it. As God may have it today, I was browsing through my archive. I saw that post and I said, no, I have to complete my statement the way I stopped it because I hanged it then because I couldn't lay hands on that post. But here, the post is here. That's what we are seeing on now before you. Before I say another thing, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And what a better way to start, if not to read the post itself, because that will make more sense so you understand why we are here. The account you are seeing here before you now is the one of Nkiru. She changed her name to Madam Niki, okay? But nevertheless, we are going to read it anyway. He said, this is the Prime Minister of Biafran Republic government in exile with the headquarters in Baltimore, Maryland. He is only in a temporary detention. When he returns, he will rest, then answer our question. He will rest, then answer our question. Or have anything changed? Have anything changed? Biafrans don't know. Have anything changed? Biafrans don't know. Biafrans don't know of. Has anything changed that Biafrans are not aware of? We do not need further scatter in this struggle. I want to remind all of us that any job you are doing is on behalf of the government, is on behalf of this government and Biafra. And this government have a head in capital letter. This government, this is Nkiru talking. Remember, she never for once support PM when PM was here. He joined after PM was arrested. After his arrest, Nkiru joined Nkere. And she's now talking as if she had been in love with PM all this while. Well, let's not go there now because we are heading to somewhere. He said, we have only one government, only one head in the government. Okay, and that head is who? Which is Simon Ekpa. Do you understand? This government have a head, which is Simon Ekpa. I want to remind us that nobody can replace Simon in this struggle. Nobody suppose American does not, nobody suppose, he said, nobody can replace PM, okay, in this struggle. Nobody. Supposing America does not bring her recognition within the next 3 years, what next? She's asking this question publicly. What do you think this is all about? If there's nothing, if there was no argument going on in the cabinet, in their let's say cabinet, in their group. Okay, this write-up show you that now something is going on there. That's what it is. Because I don't see another way to interpret it, but that's what it is. If you are doubting me, let's go to the comment section. Omanicha Jafra says, but we all know already Simon Ekpa assumes his position once he returns. Is anybody dragging this? Another said, we have one and only dragon patiently waiting for his return. Messi said, that has been the plan. He knows the job and has no equal. Moreover, he has his people at heart. Eric, can anybody replace our PM? They never born that person. These are Nkere people commenting just December 22nd. December. Now listen. This person is from USB government, I believe. He said, Madam Nikki, okay, you're not from US, not from USB. He said, I beg you, maybe he's from USB. He said, Madam Nikki, I beg you, you are one of the pillar of Briggy. Okay, it's from, I think this guy is one that I always comment on my platform because he used the same logo, the same picture. He said, Madam Nikki, I beg you, you are one of the pillar of Briggy. Nkiruka John just yesterday. This your tweet makes me scared. This your tweet makes me scared though. I hope all is well. Like I said, something is going on. She cannot just wake up and put this kind of post. There must be something going on inside that triggered this post. He said, you guys are doing wonderfully well. Continue your good work and continue supporting our APM. Okay? Another person said, Range said, well spoken, but while he is temporarily imprisoned, he ceased to give orders to Biafra people at gunpoint and pressure. We love you, our PM, Simon Ekpa. This person said, this is what you do. It's from USB, I believe. Yeah, he do USB said, criminal gangsters, which Batman, Maryland, the one you are Nkere, the chief criminal in America has changed to his name. The Simon Ekpa, you and your Briggy with ATM called names because he's pleased with Her Excellency, Dr. Abeze. He's pleased with His Excellency Dr. Abeze is doing. Keep joking around criminals. He's trying to say that Nkere and the criminal gang, they call PM names because PM is pleased with what Dr. Abeze and Biafrans are doing, what they're currently doing. Now you can see people, you can see how people react on this, right? Now let's go to other thing here. Okay, let's start with some other thing. After saying those things, and he said it well. Look at the date, please. Let's go back. When did she make this tweet? Look at it here. This is her tweet. As you can see here in Nkere, right? When you come down here, you can see that she made this tweet on December 22nd, 2025. December 22 December 2025. Then on January 15, the same Nkiru that claiming that nobody's going to replace PM. Yeah, they're not born you well. You see what they said there, right? She made another tweet and said, congratulations to His Excellency. To His excellent Excellency. Honorable Ogechukwu Nkere, Biafra restoration is imminent. Okay? That means after much deliberation, after much argument in the camp that pushed her out to make such post, to make such tweet, she couldn't stand it. Nkere, IRA did this. Nkiru, wee sị na ife ama bụ Nkiru n'ọdụkwa ka nke azụ ga-aka mma wee sị n'azụ n'azụ wee na-aga na were Nkiru dozizi na weze nke azụ wee na-aga. Look at what she said here. Congratulations. Sharing the same criminal designed flyers they used against the PM that we all know, Biafran Prime Minister Samareba. She made this post. Do you understand it? That is how bad they can be. And what date? She made it on 15, right? Then on 16th of January, Sarah Reporter made this post and said, on 16th, you can see it here, Simon Ekpa, outed as Biafran government in exile, elects new leader. Okay? Because Nkiru is still not proud of this new leader, but she have no other choice than to obey the last order. Otherwise, they will kick her out of the picture. But deep down her mind, she already said what she felt here in this post, this one, where she talked about that nobody we replace PM. Let's start from here again. He said, I want to remind all of us that any job you are doing is on behalf of this government and Biafra. And this government have a head, which is Simon. I want to remind us that nobody can replace Simon in this struggle. Nobody. And she repeated it again. No, nobody. She said, I want to remind us, look at it here, I want to remind us that nobody can replace Simon in this struggle. In this struggle. She repeated again, nobody, just to solidify it, to emphasize on it more, that is not possible. That's what she's trying to say here. Okay? Then she now put a general question. Supposing America does not bring her recognition within the next 3 years, you can see, even though Nkere, if you are proud of what Nkere is saying, that because you emphasize your attention and everything in there, right? Even though people are talking about Biafra, it's not about because of you. But you guys know how I feel about this when this issue of recognition comes. Now, after saying this thing, then few days later, the woman is telling them congratulations, as you can see here, congratulations. Okay. Then when Sarah carried out the news, she said this. She said, "Una too like gossip, Sahara reporters. Anyway, spread the news well so it can reach many more Biafrans who needs to come and donate to their freedom. Join Biafran community at," okay, this. We all know these people. You get the point? We all know. You see, you cannot just hide. The more you're trying to hide, the more you're exposing yourself. That's what it is. Anyway, I just want you to see how the flip-flop of Nkiru, and just like their leader is always do. My camera is very, very dark because I don't have my usual light. It's not with me. I'm recording from different locations. But please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. God bless you. I can't wait to read your comments on this one, to know what you think about all of this discussed so far. God bless you. Bye bye for now.